Which country produces the most wine? Italy, France, or Spain? The answer is France. Which of the following foods is toxic to dogs? Chocolate, carrots, or rice? The answer is chocolate. Which river flows through the most countries? Amazon, Nile, or Danube? The answer is Danube. Which is the only U.S. state made up entirely of islands? Alaska, Hawaii, or Florida? The answer is Hawaii. Which bird is the national symbol of the USA? Falcon, bald eagle, or hawk? The answer is bald eagle. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.